And our next story sounds almost like a plot twist in a tech thriller. In the United States, law enforcement reported a series of cargo thefts targeting shipments of AI related data center equipment. And in one case alone, more than $1 million worth of hardware was recovered, including copper wiring and server components. Johannes, I don't think I've ever heard of people specifically targeting AI infrastructure shipments before.
Well, that's what makes this story interesting, Tiffany. It's not that theft is new, it's what's being stolen.
So, what's changed?
Value density, to put it in two words. A few years ago, stealing cargo might have meant electronics, tools, or consumer goods. Now you have shipments containing highly specialized components tied directly to AI data centers, hardware that's expensive, in demand, and sometimes, very often, difficult to source quickly.
So, these aren't random thefts, they're targeting bottlenecks in the AI supply chain.
That's a very good way to think about it. And it says something about how quickly AI infrastructure has become economically significant. So when criminals start specializing, it usually means the underlying industry has crossed a threshold.
That's a slightly unsettling benchmark.
It is indeed, but it also mirrors what we've seen historically. During major industrial expansions, high value infrastructure tends to attract attention. Real components, telecom equipment, early computing hardware. So it's not unusual. It's just a signal that the system is scaling into something much, much larger.
Well, what stands out to me is how physical this all is. We talk about AI like it lives in the cloud, but here we are talking about trucks, warehouses, and copper wire.
Exactly. And that disconnect between perception and reality is shrinking. The more AI expands, the more it depends on physical systems that can be seen, moved, and unfortunately stolen.
So the cloud has a very physical backbone.
Always has. We are just noticing it more than before.